Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu states, when Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam married Hazrat Zainab radiyallahu anha, my mother Sulaim sent him has in a dish. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, go and invite all those who amongst the Muslims meet you. So I summoned whosoever came across me. They entered the house of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, consumed the food and then made an exit. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam put his hand on the food, made an invocation and pronounced whatever Allah Jalla Jalaluhu willed in the invocation. I fetched whomsoever I met. They all ate their fill and departed. Some people kept sitting there and started long discussion. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam would feel shy of saying them something. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam went out of the house, but they stayed back. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu thereupon revealed these verses. Translation: O believers, enter not the houses of the Prophet unless you get permission. For instance, you are invited to a meal, but not in this manner that you yourselves wait for its preparation. Yet, when you are invited, then enter, and when you have taken your meal, then disperse. Nor this that you may sit down and amuse yourselves in talks. Undoubtedly, this was causing inconvenience to the Prophet, but he had regard for you. But Allah is not shy of saying the truth. The Confederates, verse 53. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 3494.